Hello, today we'll be drawing a harvest folding surprise. It's gonna be like a basket with a bunch of fruits and vegetables inside, symbolizing of harvest. So, first we'll fold this paper in half. Alright, next take the end of the paper, fold it up to the middle just like this. And then do the same to the other side. So the card is gonna open up like this. So just gonna be like a closed basket right here. When you open it up, it's gonna be like there's gonna be lots of stuff inside. Alright, now just increase it even more. First, we're gonna draw the outside basket. So for the bottom part of the basket, we're gonna draw this shape, sort of a trapezoid with like no bottom or top. For the top, we're just gonna draw a curved line. Alright, this is your basket. For the details of the basket, we're gonna draw one straight line right here, and straight line around the middle, the crease right here. I'm gonna fold it down a little bit more so it'd be easier to draw on. There we go. Now for like the patterns on the basket, first I'm gonna draw some diagonal lines going this way. Then diagonal lines going the other way. Then right here again, diagonal lines going this way. And then the other way. This could be overlapping. Just like that. For the top of the basket, it's just gonna be really simple. It's gonna be a round shape, just like that. Then draw two handles on the side. The handles are just gonna be a curve shape. And curve inside. Curve. Alright, now for the inside, when you open this up, there's gonna be like a space in the middle. This is where we draw the vegetables and the fruits. But first, we're gonna finish the top of the basket. So, keep curving down just a little bit. Then draw a straight line, connecting both ends. Then draw a curved line on both sides, and then another straight line. Alright, now for the inside, we're gonna put fruits that like you can harvest in the fall, like pumpkin, squash, and corn. So first for the pumpkin, we're gonna draw a curved line from there, and then from here, another curved line, just like that. Then from about here, 2 points here, we're gonna draw a curved line down, then down into the basket. Now for the stem or the handle of the pumpkin, we're gonna draw a curved line just like that, oval, straight line down. Then from here, we're gonna draw a curved line out, same on the other side, and then connect with this line. Then right here, we're gonna skip a little bit of space, draw a dot, and then straight line down, dot, and then curved line. Alright, this is gonna be our pumpkin. Let's draw a leaf on it, which is basically a curved semicircle with no line right there. Then draw some points like that. Draw a single straight line in the middle of the leaf. Next, we're gonna draw a squash. So first, we're gonna draw a really long curved line about there. Then right here, curve, another curve, and another one. Then from about here, draw a curve line down. Now we're gonna draw the handle or the stem of the squash, which is basically same thing as a pumpkin. Curve up, oval, and then straight. Then do the same thing as a pumpkin, some curved lines in, just like that. Overall, this is basically like a long pumpkin. Then I'm gonna draw a curved line to about there, and then draw some bumps on the squash. Then also draw the same thing for the other one. Draw some more bumps on the squash, just put it in random places like this. Then draw some on those on skin. Alright, now we're gonna draw some corn. So for the corn, it's really easy. First, draw 2 straight lines, and then connect with the curve. Then from right here, we're gonna draw a curved line, and then curve back in. Curved line, curve back in, other side. Then draw some straight lines going down from top, and then some curved lines resembling the kernels of the corn. Then draw a small shape over there. Now let's draw another one. Same thing. So first, 2 straight lines connect with a curve. Then small rectangular shape on top, and then draw straight lines down. Then draw the kernels, which is basically just curved lines. Then draw the leaves. Let's draw one more right here. So 2 straight lines up, curved line connecting it. Ooh, this corn's big. Then draw 2 leaves, small rectangular shape on top, and then straight lines down. Draw curved lines. Just like that. Now let's draw some apples. So curved line to about there, curved line to about there. Do not connect in the middle, as the middle will be like the stem of the apple. So curved line right about there, and then draw 2 straight lines up, oval. Let's draw some more apples. Same technique. Just like that. Let's draw one more right here. Apple looks like it's about to fall off, but it's alright. Okay, now let's draw some leaves, just for decoration. So basically, curve. The leaves could be any shape you want. You could compromise shape if you want to. It's my first leaf. I could draw like a second leaf. Like I just use random lines. Then just a leaf. Another leaf right here. Another random lines, just like that. Draw the line in the middle and then some small lines, just like that. I'll draw like a long leaf, just like that. I'll draw 3. Draw some small lines for detail. Just like that. Alright, now we're gonna add one last thing. We're gonna add we're gonna add a mushroom. So first, curve line, like that. Curve up, just like that, and then curve. This can be a stem. Then connect the cap to the stem, just like that. You could draw spots on it if you want, but I'm not going to, since like that's gonna be like a poisonous mushroom, and we're not eating poisonous mushrooms. Alright, so now we're gonna let's add the words harvest right here. So you could write it in just write it casually, but I'm gonna do this in block letters. It could be covered by like the food. It's alright, because it's fine if at least you can make the words out. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you. Bye-bye.